Is it now official that one of India's most crucial independent bodies is being controlled? Make sure you watch this video till the end because it seems they don't want you to know this story as our post reporting it has been taken down. But I'll do my job and simply tell you all the facts about it. This is a letter that the Election Commission of India sent to all political parties in Kerala just 2 weeks before the elections there. And as you can see, this letter has a seal of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And after this letter went viral, Peak TV's and several other journalists' posts reporting it have been deleted by Instagram and X on government orders. Opposition parties like the CPIM, the TMC and the Congress alleged that earlier there were only allegations of the BJP controlling the Election Commission with claims like vote chori, but now this seal proves that they are working together. But the Election Commission has justified this by calling it a clerical error. EC said that the BJP Kerala unit had approached their office for some clarification regarding guidelines from 2019 for the publication of candidates' criminal history. The Election Commission said that the BJP also submitted a copy of these 2019 rules while seeking clarification and their seal was present on that specific copy. The Election Commission says that it was simply sending a copy of this clarification to all other parties and they mistakenly didn't notice that there was a BJP symbol on the document. They also say that the letters were withdrawn as soon as this issue was spotted and the officer responsible has been suspended. But here are 5 simple questions that come to mind. First, let's believe the Election Commission's justification that they did not notice the BJP seal. But why was the ECI forwarding a BJP submitted copy of some rules that the Election Commission has drafted itself? Why did they not forward their own copy? Why was an independent body forwarding documents sent by one political party to all parties anyway? Second, are there more such documents or statements that the Election Commission has forwarded as received from the BJP? Third, if this explanation is not true, like the opposition is saying, then how and why was there a BJP seal at the Election Commission's office? Fourth, if this is an error that has just come out in public, can the Election Commission assure voters that no other similar errors are happening silently in our country? And lastly, when the Election Commission itself has accepted that this happened, why is the BJP calling it fake news? And why is the government getting posts reporting this deleted? Why are journalists not being allowed to report that this was simply a clerical error that has been accepted by the Election Commission? We deserve answers to these questions because when every now and then there are doubts about the neutrality and independence of our Election Commission, it's a doubt on the protector of our most basic democratic right to vote in the mother of democracy.